I have found secret, hidden, best-selling products on Etsy that most people are missing, because if you're looking on EverBee just for how many sales a product has made in the last 30 days or the lifetime of the listing, you're probably going to be missing out on huge products to sell, just like I'm sharing with you on my screen. And with this new strategy, it will even share with you top products that are selling well, like this one here made 4 sales in the last 24 hours, and it doesn't even have the Etsy Bestsellers badge. And there's 3 simple metrics I'm going to share with you that you need to look at today to help you find these best selling products. I'm going to share this all with you coming up next. So the tool that we're going to use today to help us find these hidden niches that are selling like crazy on Etsy is EverBee. And EverBee is a tool that helps you identify just not how a product has done in regards to sales and monthly sales, but there's a little area that I think a lot of people miss out on, and it is the total views in regards to how well this product has been. But there's 2 specific areas that people miss that I think can be a game changer when you're looking at recently released products. And so if you do want to try out EverBee on your own and follow along with me in today's video, I make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below. All right, so here we are in Etsy, and I'm searching up just very vaguely here, Mama PNG. Again, the reason why I'm searching this up is because we're getting prepared for Mother's Day, and really anything mothers is going to be great all year round. We know that it's an evergreen niche really, but obviously it grows higher in the peak for Mother's Day. But here's the overall point I want to share with you. When I head over into Etsy here, we can see there's a lot of Mother's Day products here, but the thing is I want to go deeper because I just don't want to see again what is selling well, but I want to make sure that I'm targeting specific products that have been around for a short amount of time and are making sales currently today. That means I want to see how many people bought this in the last 24 hours. So an easy way to do that with EverBee is head over to product analytics. And this is a full breakdown where EverBee shows you, again, the price of the product, the listing age, total views, favorites, and sales. And they even show you here the monthly sales here, which again, a lot of people focus on the total sales, but there's specific data points that many people are missing that if you catch in today's video, it is going to show you these hidden top trending products that are selling currently on Etsy. So instead of me listing from highest to lowest total sales or monthly sales, I want to go to listing age. Why is that? Because I want to see how early a product has been around. And if I can find a product that has been around for just a couple of weeks here, maybe even less than a month, and it's making sales, this is the type of product I want to create myself. So going into EverBee a little bit further, I have filtered this from highest to lowest with listing age, and automatically, right, when you see this, you'll see a lot of things here that has 0 total sales, 0 monthly sales. And you will look at this and say, this is not a product I need to target. Obviously, it's not making sales. Why would I even learn from this listing or discover the niche that, this product is in? And the reason that this is actually powerful, because even though it says 0 total sales and 0 monthly sales, we still have data points in 2 specific areas that can change the game for you. And it is the total views and the total favorites. Again, the total views and the total favorites can lead you to top trending products that has been around only for a month. Like this product here has only been around for a month. Be honest with you, probably less than a month. It has no total sales and no monthly sales. However, the views are over 600. Now, what I have learned is that if a product just released and it's getting views and it's getting favorites, naturally it is going to get sales. And then if I open this up into Etsy, you can see that this product is actually making pretty good sales. It's actually a best-selling product. And more specifically, this product has made 11 sales in the last 24 hours. Again, it has a lot of views, a lot of favorites here. And because it was listed so early, again, we don't have this data here for monthly and total sales. But again, this is still helpful because we can see there's tons of interaction, tons of favorites, and definitely showing, again, that hot red in demand signal we definitely want to see. Now, again, we can go back into EverBee again and go down even further. We can see, again, this product here has a ton of views and a ton of favorites. As you see, no total sales, no monthly sales. It's only been around for a month, or really, again, less than a month. If I click on this, 11 people bought this in the last 24 hours. Again, this is top trending, in demand, great signals here from EverBee and Etsy letting us know this is where people are spending their money. And again, the goal with Etsy is to understand what does the market want, always creating based upon the market demand. But if you are just looking at products that have been around for 4 months, 6 months, 8 months, and you're not up to date with what is currently released and what people are buying now, I think you're missing out on huge potential to make sales. So we can go back in here one more time. We can go down a little bit further. We can see this product has done extremely well here, probably making tons of sales because it got data here on EverBee. But if I were to skip this one here, and if I were to go down a little further here to this product that has less total views, less favorites here, and no total sales and no monthly sales, again, this will be something that people would typically move over and not see this as an opportunity, because some people only search with EverBee the monthly sales or the total sales. But if you can identify, again, the total views, the total favorites for recently released products, again, this here could be a huge potential for us to understand this niche and start making designs for. And when I click on this, look at the data we get from Etsy. 4 people bought this product in the last 24 hours. No monthly sales, no total sales, but we do have the spike in views and we do have the numbers and favorites. And if you look at this product even further, we don't even have the bestseller badge. That means this product is so new, it recently released, but it's already gaining sales, where that Etsy is letting us know 4 people bought this in the last 24 hours. This is going to be an up and coming trend. You definitely want to identify early. And as we're moving into Mother's Day, right, this is the niche that really is an evergreen niche. This is how you're able to get ahead of the trend for specific seasons and start designing. Again, we're specifically looking at the recently released products, looking at the views and the favorites, and we are able to find these type of gold mine products that can change the game for your shop when you are trying to list high quality products. Now, if you want to learn the next step of how to actually create these type of products so you can start selling them on Etsy, check out this next video here and subscribe to my channel to learn more. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I'll see you in the next video.